In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your MyFitnessPal diary. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you navigate through the process smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to increase accountability, share your progress with friends, or simply keep your fitness journey transparent, sharing your MyFitnessPal diary can be a great tool. First, you'll want to log into your MyFitnessPal account. This is your starting point. If you're not already on the home screen, click on the login button, which you'll find on the homepage of the MyFitnessPal site or app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and enter your email address and password. Double check your details to ensure they're correct before moving on. Once you've done that, click Login again to proceed. After logging in, you will land on your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, usually located at the bottom of your screen. These three dots lead you to additional settings and customization options that are not immediately visible on the main screen. Tap on these dots and scroll until you see Settings. Click on it to access a range of adjustable features for your MyFitnessPal account. Within the settings, search for Diary Settings. This section controls who can view your diary and how much of it is visible to others. Next, locate the option labeled Public. Clicking on Public will open up a straightforward menu. Here, you'll have the ability to adjust who exactly can view your diary. By setting it to public, you allow anyone you share the link with to view your food and exercise log. This is ideal for sharing with friends, family, or even a nutritionist or trainer who you want to keep in the loop about your progress and daily habits. Now, it's important to double check that your diary is indeed set to public. This is a crucial step because a failure in this setting will mean that no one else will be able to view your entries, and you may have to repeat the process. To confirm, revisit your diary settings and make sure the public option is selected. Once confirmed, your diary is now accessible to others. That's it. By following these instructions, you've successfully made your MyFitnessPal diary public. This small action can greatly enhance how you keep track of your fitness journey and engage with those around you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share any feedback or questions in the comments below.